Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 318 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Amuse liquid eyeliner that I got from ShopMissA in my most recent haul that I got in the mail today, so very excited about my third ShopMissA haul. So this is practically 100 products that I have bought from ShopMissA, but they're only $1. But then when I think that I've spent $100 on ShopMissA products, that sounds like a lot, because it is. But anyways, I'm very excited to try this out because of how cute the packaging is. So this is a black liquid eyeliner. It only comes in black, but it comes in a bunch of different colored packaging. So it says on the website that you'll just get a randomly selected color for packaging. So I'm happy that I got this purple shade here. And this claims to be waterproof, which is nice. Let's go ahead and see how the applicator looks. Oh, so it's like a flexible felt tip. So it's kind of like a mix between a brush and a felt tip. Let's see how it writes. Ooh, that writes really nicely, very precise, and full black. That looks really good. I'm excited to see how this does on my eye. I'm still not very good at liquid eyeliner and winged eyeliner, but I'm gonna try. This brush seems like it might be pretty easy to work with. Okay, the top liquid eyeliner portion is done. That was really quick and easy. It looks really nice, looks fully black. I could get a thin line or a thick line. Today, I do have a relatively thick line, but this brush is pretty pointy, so you could get a very thin line if that's what you wanted. Now I need to dip it back in to have enough product to go for that wing. So the only problem that I'm running into is that it doesn't make a solid black line as I'm applying it to my eye. So I feel like I create this shape, but then it doesn't completely fill in, so I need to try and go over it to fill in the spots that are not fully colored in. And I feel like I need to dip my brush back in and go over the whole thing to make it a solid black color. Okay, so here is the winged eyeliner cat eye look that I was able to achieve, and I really like how it looks. It's crazy the difference, my eye with it versus my eye without it. This eye I feel like looks so much bigger, it looks so glamorous, and I just really like how it looks, but the product is a big reason why I like how it looks, and that's because of how true black and dark this color actually is. It's not the easiest eyeliner to work with that I've ever used, but the end result looks really nice. It did take a little bit longer than I wanted to achieve a wing because I had to go over it. And let's see how this dries down. It dries down perfectly. There is no smudging, no fading. I love that. I love that this is going to be able to last all day long. And this is just going to look so cute on my dresser. I love when a product has beautiful packaging, especially a $1 product. I've tried a lot of great Amuse products, and this is just another one to add to my collection. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to be giving this a try. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.